So Yvonne and Michelle have picked up the pregnant belly, and Yvonne and Michelle have some challenges for Lucas and Marcus, and Lucas and Marcus have to try the pregnant belly, and they have to be pregnant for a full 24 hours, and Lucas and Marcus have to do different challenges by wearing the pregnant belly, and then first Marcus wears this pregnant belly. And while Lucas' leg is not good, and even in this condition, Lucas wears the pregnant belly, and Lucas has a lot of difficulty in wearing it. And Yvonne helps Lucas in putting the pregnant belly on Lucas. And then they have the first challenge, and in this challenge, Lucas and Marcus have to finish the challenge by putting the balls in the bucket. And Lucas and Marcus are trying very hard to do this challenge with pregnant belly, and Marcus wins this challenge, and Yvonne and Michelle know that any challenge is very difficult to do in pregnancy. Then Yvonne and Michelle are going to give Lucas and Marcus the next challenge, and in the next challenge Lucas and Marcus have to put diaper on the baby. And in this challenge it is seen who puts diaper on the baby correctly, and then first Marcus tries to put diaper on the baby, and in some time Marcus puts diaper on the baby very well. And when Yvonne checks, Marcus has diapered the baby very well, and then it is Lucas' turn, and Lucas also tries to diaper the baby very well, and in a short time Lucas also puts the diaper on the baby. And when Yvonne checks, Lucas has not put the diaper on the baby well, and the baby diaper is loose, and then it is seen that Marcus has put the diaper on the baby in 37.49 seconds, and Lucas put the diaper on the baby in 50.51 seconds. And Marcus also wins the second challenge, and it is seen that Lucas and Marcus are very tired with the pregnant belly. And then Yvonne and Michelle have more challenges for Lucas and Marcus, and in this next challenge Lucas and Marcus have to fold the laundry quickly, and then their challenge starts. And Lucas and Marcus fold the clothes quickly and put them in the bucket, and Lucas wins this challenge, and Marcus also tries hard, but Marcus does not win this challenge. And then Yvonne and Michelle see Lucas and Marcus hanging out outside, and Yvonne and Michelle have more challenges for Lucas and Marcus.